When you search for affordable automatic watches, everything looks the same. Same features, same flashy designs. But to understand what actually stands out and what's just for show, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Pagani Design GMT Watch. Let's kick things off with the Pagani Design GMT Watch. Priced at $142.69, this watch caught my eye with its sophisticated look and functionality. If you want precision dual timekeeping and a stylish design, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With a self-winding automatic movement, there's no need for batteries. Just wear it regularly or give it a manual wind every now and then. Plus, it's got a 100 water resistance rating, so it can handle swimming or diving without a hitch. With over 1,100 reviews and a solid 4.4-star rating, users appreciate its durability, especially the scratch-resistant sapphire glass that protects against daily wear. Here's the thing though, it's a solid watch and that heft feels reassuring. If you're looking for a watch that feels substantial and built to last, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're a traveler or someone who appreciates precision in your timekeeping. Skip this one if you prefer something lighter or more casual. For its price, it offers great value and reliability. Now, if the weight of the Pagani design bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a lightweight design. Product number 2, Forsigning Skeleton Watch. Next up is the Forsigning Skeleton Watch, priced at just $43.99. Its retro design and visible mechanics really caught my attention. If you're looking for a unique watch that stands out, this is worth a serious look. What makes this watch special is its self-winding mechanical movement. This means you can marvel at the intricate workings through the skeleton face. The 50 water resistance makes it suitable for light swimming too, although diving is a no-go. With a 4.2-star rating from nearly 700 reviews, users rave about its stylish appearance and craftsmanship. Now, some people found that it requires regular winding to keep accurate time, and that can be a hassle. But honestly, for a watch this price, a bit of maintenance is expected, especially since it's a mechanical piece. If you're into watches, the charm of winding it yourself adds to the experience. This is perfect for you if you love vintage styles and want something that reflects your personality. Skip this if you're after a low-maintenance quartz watch. For the price, it's an impressive piece that combines style and functionality. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for daily wear. Product number 3, Forsigning Moon Phase Watch. Now let's talk about the Forsigning Moon Phase Watch, available for $39.99. This one caught my eye with its unique octagonal design and moon phase feature. If you want a watch that showcases both style and function, this is worth a serious look. The octagonal case is not just stylish, it's also practical. You get a large dial that's easy to read, and the automatic self-winding movement means no batteries are needed. Just like the last watch, it requires some winding, but the design makes it stand out in a sea of round watches. Plus, it's 30 water resistant, so you don't have to worry about daily splashes. With a solid 4.2-star rating from 465 reviews, it seems to please many enthusiasts. Now, some users noted that the water resistance isn't suitable for swimming, which could be a letdown for some. Here's the thing though, it's really more about style than sport. If you're looking for a dressier watch, this shouldn't deter you. This is perfect for you if you want a distinctive piece that sparks conversations. Skip this if you need something rugged for outdoor activities. It's an affordable choice that doesn't compromise on looks. Now, if you're after a more classic vibe, the next watch could be just what you're looking for. Product number 4, Bernie Classic Automatic Watch. Up next is the Bernie Classic Automatic Watch, priced at $99.99. This one offers a clean and functional design that really impressed me. If you want a reliable everyday watch that looks sharp, this is worth a serious look. Powered by the Miyota 8215 movement, this watch provides accurate and consistent timekeeping. You don't have to worry about batteries as it winds with your wrist motion. The 5 ATM water resistance is ideal for daily wear, so you can splash water on it without a second thought. The full luminous dial is another bonus. It glows in the dark, which is pretty cool. It holds a 4.4-star rating from 222 reviews, with users appreciating its durability and classic aesthetics. Now, some folks mention the quick-release band can be tricky to adjust initially. I'll be real with you, that can be annoying if you're not tech-savvy. But once you get it right, you'll find it's a breeze to change bands. This is perfect for you if you want a watch that stands out without being too flashy. Skip this if you prefer a more sporty look. For the price, it strikes a great balance between classic and functional. Now, if you're really on a budget, the last watch might just blow you away with its price point. Product number 5, Mastop Mechanical Watch. Finally, we have the Mastop Mechanical Watch at an unbeatable $28.99. Its simple yet elegant design caught my eye right away. If you want a stylish watch without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. The Mastop features a Japanese automatic movement, so no batteries required here either. It's got luminous hands and markers, which are practical for low-light situations. While it's not the most water-resistant at only 30 ml, it's perfect for daily wear, like washing hands or getting caught in the rain. With a 3.6-star rating from over 600 reviews, it's clear that many appreciate its affordability and design. Now, there were some complaints about the build quality feeling a bit cheap. Here's the thing though, at this price, you really can't expect luxury. It's a great option for someone just starting to explore automatic watches. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an entry-level watch that looks good without a hefty investment. Skip this if you're after a high-end feel. For the value, it's hard to beat. So to wrap it up, we've covered the Pagani Design GMT for travelers, the stylish four-signing skeleton for vintage lovers, the unique four-signing moon phase, the classic Bernie automatic for daily wear, and the budget-friendly Mastop Mechanical. Each watch offers something special for its price range, so you really can't go wrong with any of them. Choose one that fits your style and needs.